Definitely another tutorial. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hi. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some new scarves or hijabs that I got from Aysha, Harun, and Voile Chic. This beautiful brand right here. I'm going to be showing you guys how I wear them and how you can style them if you get them yourselves. So let's open this up. This is the box that it comes in. Really pretty, like a shoe box, but you know, a little bit less wide. And it has Aysha's name on the front. When you open it, oh, how pretty is that? They come wrapped all nice and cute. And there's also this really beautiful card right here with Aysha on it. This is probably one that I'm actually going to keep because sometimes I keep them if they look cute enough. And it says, "Salam love, I am so thrilled that I got to curate this box of my favorite hijabs from Voile Chic for you. I've been rocking the instant jersey hijabs for over a year now and they have been a game changer in my life. I absolutely love wearing my hijab, but I'm sure we can agree that bad hijab days are real. Luckily, these hijabs take a second to slip on and you instantly look put together and oh so chic. I hope you love all the shades I chose and I can't wait to see you in them. Use the hashtag VC times Aysha so I can creep on your gorgeous face." So this is Aysha. If you've never seen her before, she is a Muslim black woman, very beautiful, very well spoken, and she is Canadian as well. I am not Muslim, for those of you wondering. A lot of people ask me on Twitter and Instagram, "Hey, I noticed that you wear hair scarves all the time. Are you Muslim?" And no, I am not. I am a Jehovah's Witness. I am a Christian. Anybody can wear a scarf as long as you are not intentionally appropriating someone's religion or culture and trying to mock them or be a poser, as it were. So based off of my faith, women back in the day used to cover their hair and they would have fabrics such as these. Some women covered all of their hair, some women covered their neck and their chest and their face, and it's really just because of where they lived out in the desert and things like that. It's kind of hot and you don't want your hair to be dry or get burnt, and it would cover them up. And you know, sometimes you wrap it in a turban, sometimes you do the little unicorn turban situation, and then other times women will have them pinned or they'll have it just hanging over their shoulders. So it's really more of a protective style and a way to accentuate my hair and my beauty without having my hair all the way out. So anyway, let's get into these. So there's a little sticker. I don't want to tear it, so I'm just going to slide the paper off, and this is how they come. Aren't they cute? So cute. So let me just show you guys how these scarves or hijabs work. So these are instant, meaning when you put them on, let me open it up. Ooh, such nice fabric. Ooh, and they're cool too. Okay, so meaning when you put them on, they're already stitched to go underneath your jawline. This is the opening where your face, your head would go. And then if you are Muslim or you wear hijab and you're not Muslim, or, you know, they're stitched right here. So this would go right underneath your jaw. So it's already done for you. You don't have to pin it in the front or in the back, because this is how I do mine. I pin mine in the back. You don't have to pin it with a safety pin, which is really nice. And then there's additional fabric all the way over here. So you can wrap it around your neck, your décolleté, or wrap it around your head. And I'm going to show you guys how I wear them. So it's kind of stretchy. There's a nice little, very subtle sheen. The quality feels amazing. I don't think I'm going to get any lint balls or anything on these. So I'm excited. So underneath my scarves that I wear, or my fabric, is this little underscarf. And if you have long hair, I braid mine down or twist it down. If you have long hair, it'll hold up like this. You know, you can have a little bun here or a little bun on top, and it just separates your hair from the fabric if you're wearing things like cotton or things that will absorb moisture from your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put the opening over my head like so. Ah, this is so cute. I remember seeing women like Lauryn Hill when I was younger wearing head coverings or scarves. And I like for mine to be kind of messy neat, so I like for the top to lay as flat as possible and then the edges to also be flat. So you can wear them like this. Let me just go ahead and style them as I would. This is going to be sped up a little bit, but you guys are going to get the gist. I'm just not going to be able to talk through it because it's hard to explain and also hard to look and see how I'm doing it. So this is how this is going to work. Okay, so this is what I was trying to show you guys earlier. So these, the little part where the hole is for you to put your face in or your head in, it actually folds flat up against the scarf. So you can still wear these like you would a normal scarf that doesn't have the opening for your head, right? So I'm just gonna show you guys a couple of styles that I normally do.
Sugar with the sweet style, keep it super real. When I look into those eyes, I be steady catching feels. So I hit you on the celly to tell you I'm coming up, cause I just wanna chill, hoping you gon' make it fun. Laying next to you, I run my fingers through your hair, then I kiss you on the temple and tell you I freaking care. See, I've been through this before and I've made a couple mistakes, but you was something special, so I'm riding the break, girl. Yo, I don't think I've felt this night. Took a minute, but this love feels right. Alexis.
So that's pretty much all the styles that I can think of right now. This one is such a pretty nude. I just want to put it on so y'all can see it. But yeah, so that's pretty much all the styles that I can think of. I mean, honestly, whenever you're doing your head wraps or wrapping your scarves, whatever you call them, because there's so many different names for everything and technicalities, you're always going to come up with things and see things that you might want to try, and just try it out and see how you like it. Like this, I was thinking, you know, ooh, what if I made it into like a ponytail? So just try it out, try some of the basic styles out, and then when you see an opportunity to try something new, give it a go and see how you like it. Because honestly, I can never remember stuff like this. Like, I'm probably not going to remember this tomorrow, how I did it, how it came about at all. It just comes to you while you're doing it. And there are tons of tutorials that go into detail about how to wear head coverings, hijabs, scarves, turbans, whatever it is that you like to wear. So, you know, I'm feeling kind of cute. So I'm going to take some selfies. I just want to congratulate you, Aysha, on your collaboration. These hijabs are absolutely stunning. They feel really nice. They're cool when I took them out of the box. And you know what? Shout out to your first collab with a brand, and there are going to be more to come, honey. Yay! I love these colors. I can't wait to rock them and wear them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want me to produce more videos with content like this, comment down below, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, you know, because we got a goal this time. I have a goal, 10K by January or before the end of January. Whatever. We're trying to get there. Okay, we're trying to get there. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video, and I will see you guys next time.